What is up, guys and girls? This is Brandon Coin, just checking back in, and it is it's July 1st. Wow, okay, no more June. So July 1st, this is your daily hash rate. It's in my mining news. A little bit of I don't know if I'm going to call this news, but rumors. So AKA who knows. But this is from WCCF Tech. I'll put the article link down below in the description. But it's AMD GPU Rumors, Polaris 30 12 nanometer GPUs in Q4 2018. Navi GPUs based mid-range cards arrive before high-end HBM2 variants. And what they're talking about is basically the 7 nanometer Vega 20s coming in 2019, and the Navis between 19 and 20. 2019 and 2020. I don't know. You know what I think? I think AMD needs to get on the show, because Nvidia is about to drop some cards and they need something. They don't have to be the best. They just have to be good at mining, and then they'll sell them all. So they need to figure out how to get all the mega hashes, sell them things. If they're decent at playing video games and they're great at mining, they'll sell them. They'll sell them like hotcakes. Yeah, I'm not. You know what? It doesn't even, like Polaris 30. I don't know what that is. I kind of like the naming structure, like Vega 20, Vega 12, Vega 56, Vega 64. I don't know if that actually has any relation to like the compute units or whatever that's in them, but it's different. I like it, you know. So there's a little bit of sprinkly. I'm not even going to call it news. There's a little bit of rumors for you to get started. Now let's go over to the hash rates. The hash rates are back up today about 3 to 4%. But if you've noticed, it's like we go down 3 to 5%, we go up 3 to 5%, we go down 3 to 5%, we go up. So technically we're stagnant, guys. This week has just been basically stagnant down there at the bottom. Let's see what we are working with on CoinMarketCap. We have a $6,300 Bitcoin. So yeah, our Bitcoin's still in that low to mid 6,000 range. Ethereum's still 450. It's under 500. We're stagnant, but we're still mining. That's the big thing. Not stopping mining. $79 Litecoin. Man, I should buy some Litecoin, but I'm not an investor, and I don't advise anybody else to do anything. This is just what I'm doing. So back to our hash rates. The biggest loser of today is the GTX 1080 went from 94 cents a day to 97 cents a day. It's not actually losing, it's just the smallest gainer. Now the biggest gainer is the RX 564 gig. Went from 46 cents a day to 48 cents a day. It's a 4.35% jump. Yeah, so everything was actually really consistent. And I was going to switch my Equihash over to Ravencoin, but I noticed Equihash actually is like right there with Ravencoin on profitability. So I'm like, maybe I just let it run, you know, let the network get hit a little bit more from the Z9s, and once it falls in profitability, then I'll put it over. But I'm working on that video and working on switching everything over here soon. I've just been super busy. I'm actually going out of town coming up for 4th of July. So I am trying, and I'm going to bring my laptop and try to manage all my mining rigs, and also record and keep you all up to date on what's going on with mining and what my systems and what my cards are doing. If I don't do a good job of that, you can let me know and I'll just stop. I already have a couple videos pre-recorded. They're not daily hash rates, because obviously I don't know what the hash rates are going to be, or I'd be a millionaire. But they're like rig maintenance, and then also going back over temperatures and what I'm doing, that kind of thing. So if I'm not able to actually put out a video that day, I'll release one of those instead. That way I make sure to have a video every single day, because that's my big thing with this channel, is I try to make a video every day. It's not easy all the time. Just let me know. Or I'm just letting you know, it's not always easy. Now going over to deal of the day, I'm looking on Amazon. These are the XFX 574 gigs. I actually have 3 of these, and these are a very underrated card. They come with a back plate. They got a decent design. I think a lot of people think they look cheesy. They don't really have RGB or anything like that. Just really simple cards. 250 bucks. These cards get around 28.5 to 29 mega hash with a BIOS mod and a slight overclock. and all 3 of mine are dead on consistent, and they just get like, I think mine are like 28.5 or 28.6 mega hash on Ethereum, and I just let those things eat because they do their own thing. So I like how it says with custom backplate, but they don't actually give you a picture of the backplate in the ad. So I'll put that link down below in the Amazon affiliate link in the description. So if you want to check it out, jump on there. Now for the rig of the day, to get your rig featured on Brandon Coin video, all you got to do is go to the Reddit. Link will be down below in the description. Make sure to post some pictures and a brief description. That's what I was thinking of. Yeah, Brandon, this guy. TWGE255. Have you ever, or would you ever, share your spreadsheet that you use for your daily hash rate videos? And then somebody, Atlanta, great question. Created myself. Same here, hence why I'm asking. If the spreadsheet pulls live data from several different websites, it would take some special setup, even if you shared the original. Yeah, see, that is kind of the issue at the moment, because I did not build the spreadsheet. I had somebody build it for me, and thank you again. They don't want to be mentioned, but I really do appreciate them. And I guess I could make a copy of it and then share the copy, but I just don't want to share the live one. And a lot of times people want to put in their hash rates, and that could throw everything out of whack, if you know what I mean. So I'll answer him. At the moment, I'm not sure how to share my exact spreadsheet and let people use it without it getting, what's the word I'm thinking of? Without it getting ruined, I guess. Ruined. Yeah, that's not the word I was thinking of, but yeah. So if anybody else out there has any Excel like knowledge, email me and help me out, because I would definitely share it. I just don't want to get it messed up, you know what I mean? I've gone through a couple different like Excel spreadsheets in response to the Fortnite and Ethereum video. What's this? I wrote a response on YouTube video, but I'll post it here just as well to get the info out there and add some to it. Most miners have intensity settings which you can play with. Lower the intensity incremental and start the game to see what happens. On my 1080 Ti, I can play just about all games at or above 60 frames at 1440 if I lower the intensity far enough. It can be done if you're willing to experiment enough. For most of my miners, I separate batch files with lower intensity. Here is an example. Oh, okay. So sounds like I have a little bit of ammo for a new video. Thank you. I will use this and try out making another attempt at a gaming and mining video. Smiley face. Okay, we need to we're just answering questions. We need to get a rig of the day. Right here. MacGyvered mining tent and 2 6x GTX 1050 rigs. This is by Bowman Chu. So it looks like he's running the Zotac 1050 Ti's. I have a couple of those. Solid little cards for the money. Oh, look at this wire management. I love when people do this. See, I am not tedious enough. Look, he's got it all zip tied around. I am nowhere near intricate enough to do that kind of setup, but I really do appreciate somebody else doing it. Ah, look at that. It looks good. It really does. So he's running some on SATA power, some on 6-pin. Ooh, be careful with those SATAs. What is this? Oh, is that a curtain? Oh, I see what he's doing. He draped the curtain, got in front of the window, and got the fans pulling the heat outside. No way. That's cool. Keeping them at 65C. All that for $1.86 a day. Delete thyself. Nah, bro. Keep on trucking. Hey, everybody you look back and years ago, and everybody was telling everybody, oh, they're stupid for mining Bitcoin. Bitcoin's only worth $100. Then the next year, Bitcoin's only worth $500. And why are you mining? Oh, Bitcoin's only worth this. And you know what? I'm gonna keep on mining. And I think all y'all watching are gonna keep on mining. There's something good here. Bitcoin's a real thing. We're gonna have Lambos one day. So thank you for sharing. I do appreciate it, and I am looking for someone to help me out writing or suggesting crypto jokes of the day. I don't have one for today, so it's pretty much how the cookie crumbles, or how the how the cookie crumbles. But I'm going to go get some sleep, and I appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. This is Brandon on Brandon Coin, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.